Yo, what's up? It's junokeebs. This week we're going to take a look at another banger. This one is the Zuoce Bubblegum. The Bubblegums have got a POM and silicon compound stem. It's about 13.5mm long and it has absolutely outstanding factory lube. We've got a PA66 nylon bottom housing. This is without added fiberglass, which makes a difference from some of the other switches that use PA66. They've got a POM and PTFE top housing with a 4-pin style opening. And you can see in here just more evidence that the factory lube job is really good. Normally this is where you just see way too much lube for those factories that over lube their switches. There's a 22mm 2-stage stainless steel spring as well. Now, one of the best things I've found about these switches, being someone that's really susceptible to stem wobble and just kind of movement overall, is that they're really solid. There's barely any movement from these, as you can see in this clip, and it's even more evident with keycaps on and when you're typing. Now, I know lots of people experience this differently and some people just don't care about it, but it feels important to me and these switches are really good for it. Enough of that, time for some sound tests. This is the bit we all wait for in these videos anyway. Thanks for watching as always. I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it's a little bit shorter than the first two I put out, but to be honest with you, these are a really nice, cheap, simple switch. I didn't really feel like there was any need to overload you with more information about them. You can grab these on the Stock Exchange. They're £2 for 10, which is just insane value. And overall, they're just really hard to beat if you want a really nice feeling linear switch with really solid construction, really good factory lubing, and they're just so easy to use out the box that it's hard to not recommend them, especially at that price point. Don't forget to check out Stock Exchange. There's a link for that in the description below. There's also a discount code as well, which will get you a little bit off your next purchase of some nice switches. See you soon.